Its country is going to hell because we are led by a person who doesn't know how to be a president and who is a liar. Alam nyo anong pruweba ko na sinungaling siya? Tinanong ko, dalawang businessman. Matagal na sa negosyo ng bigas. Because I was concerned. This is a campaign promise. 20 pesos na kilo ng bigas. And so, I really sat down and talked to a businessman. Sabi ko, sabihin mo sa akin, kung magagawa ba yung 20 pesos? Sabi niya, hindi. Napaka-imposibleng gawin yan. Because more than 20 pesos ang cost. Paano ka magbenta